Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Nexxt.com offers a comprehensive platform for job seekers and employers alike. For individuals searching for new career opportunities, Nexxt provides access to a vast network of job listings spanning various industries and locations. The site boasts a user-friendly interface that allows for efficient browsing and filtering of positions based on keywords, salary expectations, and desired experience levels. Beyond just job listings, Nexxt offers career resources such as resume building tools, interview tips, and salary insights, equipping job seekers with the tools they need to succeed in their job hunt. Furthermore, the platform facilitates direct connections between candidates and recruiters, fostering a streamlined and effective application process. From the employer's perspective, Nexxt provides a robust recruitment solution. Businesses can leverage the platform to post job openings, manage applicant pools, and screen potential candidates. Next's targeted approach ensures that job postings reach the most relevant talent pools, maximizing the efficiency of the hiring process. The platform also offers employer branding opportunities, allowing companies to showcase their culture and values to attract top-tier candidates. With its sophisticated search algorithms and comprehensive database, Nexxt assists employers in finding the perfect fit for their open positions, ultimately contributing to the growth and success of their organizations. Whether you're actively seeking a new role or looking to expand your team, Nexxt.com offers a valuable suite of tools and resources to navigate the complexities of the modern job market. They empower individuals and organizations to achieve their career goals and business objectives, respectively. Their intuitive platform and focus on connecting the right people with the right opportunities make them a significant player in the online recruitment landscape. This dynamic resource adapts to the evolving needs of both job seekers and employers, providing a crucial link in the ever-changing world of work.